Hey guys, Mikey here. Just thought I'd do a quick video tonight on Binance's new Launchpad product, which is probably the absolute easiest way to do yield farming at the moment. Now, there's been a lot of hype over the last few months with yield farming, this and that, and for someone, you know, someone newer into the market at the moment is going to have no idea, what they're doing, and it's going to be very hard. You're going to have to learn. So obviously, I advise to learn about those sorts of things, but at the same time, Binance has now offered a really simple platform to start locking up some funds and then getting extra tokens as yield farm tokens, and it's extremely easy to do. Um, there's no real, there's not a lot of fee involved. There's literally no fee to add this token that I've added today, for example. Um, it's as easy as just clicking a button, and I'll show you guys how it's done. With the way Ethereum fees have been lately as well, obviously with huge fees, just to lay it out for you beginner guys who haven't done anything with yield farming before. Generally, if you want to get into a pool where you need to add liquidity or anything like that, you're looking at anywhere between 4 to 6 transfers in terms of like accepting expenditure to be sent, adding funds to this liquidity pool, getting the tokens, adding them to another site, and then staking those. Like there's about 4 to 6 transfers in there, which can easily add up to over $100 just to get started in a pool, and then you've got to worry about whether it's going to be around in the next 24 to 48 hours, because um, new coins coming out, basically like 2017 ICO days, which are basically disappearing in a number of days, and it's like Wild Wild West all over again. So the easiest thing to do at the moment, and probably one of the safest, because obviously Binance is a really good exchange. It is centralized, yes. If your funds are on Binance and Binance closes down, whatever, you're gonna lose your funds. But it's safer to do it this way than to join these other yield farming programs unless you're very experienced and you know exactly what you're doing. So making this one for the new guys to at least get involved so they don't feel like they're missing out. Now, Binance are always up to speed with new things that are coming out. They're a nice, they're a really cool, innovative company. They do started doing IEO launches and things like that when that sort of stuff started pumping. They're now doing their own yield farming component. So the easiest way to get involved with other new tokens that are getting added onto Binance straight away as well is in your wallet, you just deposit your coin as normal. Okay, these are the coins you want to be looking for, anything with launch pool on them. I got some ONT just to show a demo today. The reason I got ONT is because there's a new coin called Wing. So 915%, that's the APY. So APY is an annual yield percentage based on a yearly figure. So that's obviously going to decrease over time as more people farm the coin and then sell the coin, so on and so forth. So you just put your funds in your wallet, any of these, okay? You come up here to the finance section, go to savings. All right, I'll just show you guys. This is just a quick account. So there's 2.5K or something in there of this coin. Now all you need to do is you just click on the transfer button. It'll have your amount in here. I just clicked max and I clicked transfer confirmed. Done, dusted. It's as easy as that. The balance of this token, so pool, see how it says pool rewards. These are the rules. Obviously, it depends on whatever percentage you are of the pool. You get a daily percentage of whatever is the reward, and that just gets sent straight into your wallet. Okay, so it'll end up in your normal Binance wallet. You can trade it, sell it, keep it, do whatever you want to do with it. The cool thing about this as well is you also get a small percentage on the actual just staking rate from Binance themselves. So on ONT at the moment, you get in about on average about 1% a day, or just slightly less than 1%. And if you keep this auto transfer button on, it'll basically compound for you. So whatever coins you've got in your spot wallet, so whatever coins you've got just in your normal wallet, it'll auto transfer those the following day. Okay. It says here, flexible savings are closed between 10 to midnight and 10 after midnight. That's obviously when they do the interest calculation and send out and all that sort of stuff. And then the first day that you do your transfer, you don't get paid that day. So you wait for a full day after this midnight time, and then you'll get your transfer back to your wallet. It's as simple as that, guys. I haven't found anything easier and probably safer than this. You know, of course, try at your own risk because it's Binance. Binance has been around for a long time. A couple of these tokens, they've only done this with 2 tokens at the moment. One's called Bell and one's called Wing. Okay, they've both done pretty well for themselves in terms of if you were staking in the very start, you would have made some good coin out of it. So yeah, give it a go. Let me know if you have been doing this already. Chuck a comment in the video below. Otherwise, that's it, guys. Good luck. Have fun out there, and let me know. Cheers.